Step into the Jeep 2017 Wrangler Unlimited Rubicon. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are quick order package 24-hour, 8 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, audio jack input for mobile devices, CD player, radio data system, radio, 130, air conditioning and power steering. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.